you this question. When can good news be called good news? Kanus-A man mahimong maayong balita ang maayong balita. For the apostles who denied, who ran away, who made empty promises before Jesus was handed over to death, good news is when Jesus appeared to them after he resurrected and said to them, "Peace be with you." That's a very good news. Human sila nanaga na hadlok, Jesus appeared to them and said, "Okay ratong tanan." And that is a very good news. Good news is when they were able to touch his wounds and enkindled their faith. Good news is when Jesus journeyed with them in their way to Emmaus. Good news is when Jesus once again broke bread and dined with them. Mo ni siya good news. For all of us who are here, the good news that we are about to proclaim is the truth that we are massively loved and cared for by God. In our unfaithfulness, God remains faithful. And this is good news. Good news is when God promised us of eternal life. Good news is when God assures us that He is with us always, so we need not to be afraid. Good news indeed. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate today the feast of Saint Mark, who proclaims the good news by writing his gospel about the life and the deeds of Jesus, we are called to witness the ministry of Jesus and do it in some way or another. We are called to be other Christs, to be people who wish to make known and spread the love of God and His care for His people throughout the world. Today, like the apostles, we are also commissioned by Jesus to go out to our own world, to our families, to our working place, to the people around us, and proclaim the good news. So karon, as we continue this holy sacrifice of the Mass, what's the good news that you are bringing? Unsa man ang good news nga imong i-share sa imong pamilya? Today, God reminds us to be heralds of this good news. Every day, we receive good news from the Lord. And so, we are called to share this good news to others. Good news can only be good news when these news are patterned after the good news that we have received from the Lord. Ang tanan unta nga atong ibalita sa uban kadtog yung maayong balita nga nagagikan sa maayong balita nga atong nadawat gikan ni Jesus. Please all stand.